these rings are bigger than the bore size. Now, you gap your rings, and so where my finger is where this bottom of this ring ends. The top of it ends here. So there's certainly no gap. There's actually about a 1/4 of an inch, 3/8, maybe I don't know, 5/16 or something like that of gap, not gap, but overlap. So what I'm going to wind up doing with these rings is I'm going to wind up making them smaller because they need to fit. And so you can tell probably from this angle they're too big. That's okay, we can make them smaller. We can't make them bigger, but we can make them smaller. So that's gonna mean that's okay though. We'll gap our own rings and we'll make them fit, and they'll be fine. So we can do that because we got the technology here. We smart. We wicked smart. That's going to be a whole other project of its own right there, but we can do it. We sure can. I'm going to put these for safekeeping right back in here. They've got these top groove, and they got them all separated out, so that's a good thing. So, yep, that's going to be some fun right there. Oh, the joy. I'm going to stop recording this. Pin right here was the worst one, and it's really nasty, but you know, by having it up on something like this, I can get my gloves on. I'll show you. Instead of having it in there on that bench, where I'm trying to hold the piston and do all this at the same time, I can get it up on something like this, where I can get a little better angle at it. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Much better. I was thinking I would pressure wash them out here too, but I want to make sure I got these all cleaned out before I get to that. And this one here is the worst of the last of the worst of them. But